Hey guys, it's Bank Holiday Monday. We've just done a food shop. I just hurt myself. I just like caught a mole and it's really sore now. That's what that is. Yeah, we've just done a food shop at Asda. It was a big one. Ben was with me, and we always do big food shops when Ben's here because it just happens. I had a list. So we're going to talk you through it. It was £80. I'm going to start this end. We're going to go along. Okay, so we've got some butts, bedtime butts for Aria, some bleach, some sponges for washing up, some cleaning cloths, baby wipes. I got myself some shower gel. This was £1.50 on offer. We got some Pringles, the nacho cheese ones, because they are amazing. Monster Munch for Ben for work. Mika has just decided she loves corn on the cob, so we got the big ones. The little ones were more expensive, and then we usually get the frozen ones, but they didn't have any, and she really wanted some corn. So we got some corn. We're going to chop them in half and then chuck them in the freezer. Some dark chocolate orange indulgence. I sort of walked past and said that I thought this looked yummy, and then I realised Ben had actually chucked it in the trolley, so yeah. Cream cheese for the kids' pasta. We also got some tinned corn to see if she likes that, because that works out loads cheaper. Milk. I got these Pringles for Ben because he loves hot things. We are having roast chicken tonight, and the kids are really funny with roast dinners, so we've got these to bribe them with. These are like £2 each. They're ridiculous. I think it's like a bath bomb, and then you get a toy at the end. This is going to be a bribe to get them to eat vegetables, because I am the mum that bribes my children. Some Bagel Thins. I think these work out at 6 sins in Slimming World. One of these, but I really like them. Every night before the girls go to bed, they have a biscuit and some milk. And so we got this one because it's got all the different ones in it, and it was on offer. Giant bag of the McCain 5% fat oven chips. I got myself 2 vest tops. These are 2 for £4, just for holiday, just to wear on the beach. I needed some Weetabix, but they were well expensive, so I got the Asda own brand version. I'm assuming I can still use these as my Healthy Bee, like 2 of them for a Healthy Bee. If they're not, if you know that, let me know. I don't go to Group anymore, have access to the app, so I'm not 100% sure, but I assume they're the same as Weetabix. They're just Asda ones. The girls got some cereal. Asda cereal aisle today literally had really expensive like protein granola on it, Nesquik, Cocoa Pops and Weetabix. Everything else was empty for some reason, so the girls have got Nesquik. This is the birthday card for Cheesy from Fishy. And then this wrapping paper is for me to wrap up some of Ben's birthday presents. How cute is it? I thought that was really cute. We got some bread. This is Mika's favourite at the moment, white and wheat. And she asked for cold toast. What she actually means is just a slice of bread that hasn't been cooked, so just bread. We're having roast chicken tonight. 2 little pizzas. I've got the girls. Mika's got a ham one, Ari's got a cheese one. Again, they didn't have any frozen ham and cheese ones, or any frozen cheese ones, to be honest. They was crap today. We got some ham. That's the focus. Ham. Ben's just cleaning the car out and just throwing things in the house. Ham, pastrami, hula hoops for Mika. I got the girls some little tiny pasta, d'Italia. They like little tiny pasta. And then we have got some spirali because we just ran out. Some cheese for Ben and the girls. A sunflower oil spray. I only bought one of these about 2 weeks ago, but literally the day I bought it, I opened a cupboard and it fell out, and like 95% of it just fell over the floor. It was well annoying. Rice, because we used all of our rice yesterday when we did chilli for my in-laws. Beans and sausages for Mika. We got 2 cans of them. Some beef oxo, because I ran out. For like the first time since I've been an adult, I had no beef oxo cubes, and I felt weird, so I had to get some. I'm not planning to cook anything with them, but I just felt weird not having them in the house. Some butter with sea salt crystals. Some baked beans for me. some Alpro soya chocolate milk because I like to have this as my healthy A, and I have it on my Weetabix and it's just heaven. I love it and the kids love it, and it's yummy. Apple sauce because we're making gravy, Lee and Perrins because we're making gravy and we just run out of both. 2 cucumbers, a bag of salad. Again, as is iceberg lettuce, which is what I normally got, they were absolutely revolting, all of them. So I just got a cheapy bag of lettuce because it will do us for a couple of days until we run out and then have to go and get some more anyway. Tender stem broccoli because we just want Ari to try vegetables. So we're going to have tender stem broccoli for her to try. I'm going to make some cauliflower cheese for her to try. There was no whole cauliflowers, otherwise I would not have bought pre-packed cauliflower. I've got some tiny baby carrots because they didn't have any big ones. A sweet potato because I'm going to make some sweet potato mash and see if she likes it. I just got a tiny one, that was 14p. Red onion for the gravy, normal onions, bananas, squash, parsnips. I didn't have any of these singly either, so I'm going to just prep all of them and then blanch them and freeze them. And then I'll just take them out as I want them because I'm the only one in this house that likes parsnips. So, yeah. Reduced fat hummus, light mozzarella, mushrooms for Mika, my favourite baby peppers, apples, Melba toast, cream crackers, jerky for Ben. He's just come in and taken a knife into the car for some reason. I don't know what he's doing, weirdo. Chilli and lime beef jerky, and then the girls got these little corners because they were £1 on offer. And that is the food shop. We had a proper busy day. Like, we've been to Hobbycraft as well and H&M and got bits as well, but I won't go into all that now. But yeah, we will go and have a chat. I'm gonna face this way so you can see how messy the kitchen is. We're gonna have a chat and talk about what we're gonna have for the week. Morning guys, it's Tuesday after the bank holiday. We did our food shop yesterday and I showed you guys. We have got our meals planned. Tonight we were gonna have fish pie, but I just really don't want fish pie today. We've got my little menu here. Someone asked me the other day, they were like, what do you do if you just don't fancy something? So we generally just swap it for a different day. So I think we will probably just have jacket potatoes for tea tonight, to be honest. Tomorrow Ben is at football, so I'll have pasta and sauce, or just like plain pasta, maybe with a bit of pesto on it or something, and some chicken. Thursday we're having burger in a bowl, Friday we're having salt and pepper chicken, and Saturday we are away for the day because we're going to see my nanny for Mika's birthday, which is the following week, but we're going to go and see her this weekend. So I don't know what we'll have. We'll probably end up in a Wetherspoons or something for lunch. That's what we usually do because there is nowhere to eat where my mum lives. Literally, it's just crap. So yeah, we'll probably send up on Wetherspoons and have jacket potato. I'll try and be good. I have just downloaded the NutriCheck app, which is kind of like my Fitness Pal. I used to use it years ago, like a long time ago. And then so I just feel like I'm a bit of a plateau at the moment. So I thought I'd try and do calorie counting for a bit, see if that gives me a bit of a boost. We've got, how many days till holiday? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, excuse me, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 days till we go on holiday. So I mean, that's 2 weeks basically, so I could potentially lose like £5 if I pull my finger out. That's my plan. So yeah. Yeah, if like people ask if we don't want something on the day, we generally just swap it for another day of the week. We're struggling to do that a bit recently because all of our meat is frozen. We buy it all fresh from the butchers and then we just freeze it in portions. And obviously, if you decide like an hour before your dinner that you don't fancy what you're supposed to be having, you can't really defrost meat that quickly. Well, I can't anyway. So then I'll tend to go-tos are like rice and peas and egg, like egg fried. I'll just like scramble an egg, cook some rice and chuck some peas and some veg in it, and have that. And on Slimming World that would all be free. You can chuck some extra veggies in, or some salad, or some chicken. That's a really good one. Jacket potatoes, again, a really good one you can have. Pasta, we go to a lot, if we really don't fancy what we've got, cheese toasties is our go-to. Like if you need some comfort and you just, because some days you just want comfort food, it's cheese toasties all the way. Ben sometimes has like cheese and ham or cheese and chorizo or cheese and salami, but I'll just, if I really just feel crap and need some comfort, I'll just get a cheese toastie in me. I'll try and use my healthy extra bread if I've got some, otherwise I'll just use what we've got. So yeah, that was the week. Let me know if anyone has used NutriCheck or MyFitnessPal, how many calories you have a day, like to say what you lose or what you want to lose. I'd be really interested to know, so let me know. I'll link my FitnessPal and my NutriCheck down below, and my food Instagram if you want to come along and say hey. But yeah, that was the week. That's the week's shop, and I will probably do some cooking this week. I might cook salt and pepper chicken again because that was amazing, and I can't remember if I've actually done it as a video, but I'll double check, and if I haven't, we're cooking that on Thursday. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye guys.